disaster waiting to happen. So we passed a decent storm last night, but oh no, it's breaking. From the weight of the fruit and the weight from the rain, combination from that, look at what's happening. It's being snapped off from the weight, too much weight. Oh no. Ouchie. Look at that. Nope, it's not over yet. Ouch. Oh geez, there's another disaster waiting to happen. A getting snapped power line. Oh man, this is bad. It doesn't end. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh boy. Geez, imagine having the grounded apple tree that it still grows. No, I guess it's too late to save it because it broke. Ouch. More trees are breaking. Oh boy, this is some crazy natural disaster. Oh, it's not over yet. Yeah, look at that. Look at it sway. See that? Oh, we're gonna have a soon power lines arcing due to that. Oh boy, Saturday. I'm curious how will one look like. But holy fuck, this is some crazy natural disaster.